Welcome to my YouTube channel FlexCodec Tech. Today I'm going to take you through a new tutorial about BantuPay wallet, how to back up your secret key. So first of all, for those who don't have BantuPay installed on their phone, if you are an iPhone user, you can download BantuPay wallet on Appstore. If you are Android user, you can download it on PlayStore. So as Android user, I'm going to show you how to download it on PlayStore. Just open PlayStore. Now go to the search bar and type BantuPay. You will see BantuPay with an orange and white logo. Just press on it. How to identify BantuPay? You will see under BantuPay right then, you will see Bantu Blockchain Foundation. That is why I have already BantuPay installed on my phone. That's why you will not see install, you will just see uninstall and open. So let's back to our main menu to log in into our wallet. So now press on BantuPay. Wait small, it will open. Okay, welcome back FlexCodec. FlexCodec is my username, BantuPay wallet username. So now you have three possibilities to log in to your BantuPay wallet. You can use password, you can use biometrics, and also QR code. Please, for security reason, don't share your user code and QR code. Don't share your QR code, because someone can know your username, and now you share the QR code with him. It will just open your wallet and it can do whatever you need with it. So please be aware. So now let's log in. I will log in with biometrics for security reason, because I'm using my fingerprint. So now we are inside our wallet. What you have to do is to go to setting. Setting is the last tab at the right, the last tab. So you press on the last tab, scroll down to wallet. Okay, on wallet module you will see backup wallet. Press on it. Okay, as soon as you press on backup wallet, there is an important message that will ask you to be sure that no one is looking while you are backing up your wallet secret key. So press on continue. If you are sure, press on continue. When you press on continue, there is 3 checkbox with important message that you have to read. That's why we call term and condition, to be sure that everything is okay. You have to stick all those checkbox, first, second, and the third one. So you have to take your time to read before you stick it. So now press on continue. So as you are there now, you are where your secret key is. There is 2 ways. You can directly copy your secret key, or you can review your secret key if you want to maybe screenshot it, or maybe if you want to copy it somewhere, like write it down. You see, you can screenshot it or you can write it down. So now what generally I advise is to copy your secret key. That's all. You can just copy it. But if you want to reveal it, just tap on tap to reveal secret key. Just tap on it. The secret key is there. But if you want only to copy the secret key, you can just copy it and you will see the message: you have successfully copied your secret key. So everything is okay. What you have to do next to go back to our home page. I'm not talking about Bantu wallet homepage. You are close Bantu wallet, go back to our home page. Now, I'm sure that you will ask me the question, as I have copied the secret key, where am I going to store it? It is very simple and very secure. And with this method, you will never lost your secret key. Wherever they store your phone is spoiled, and even if you want to retrieve your secret key, you can use your phone, your friend phone, or your mother phone, or your wife phone, or your husband phone to retrieve your secret key. Just use Google Drive. With Google Drive, it's very simple to retrieve your secret key. So we just open Google Drive. Open Google Drive. It will open. Okay. Now what you have to do is to create a folder. Down at the right side, you will see a cross. Press on it. So now press on folder. When you press on folder, create a new folder. You can rename it Secret Key Bantu Pay. Create. Yeah. Secret Key Bantu Pay. Scroll down. The Secret Key Bantu Pay has been created down here. Okay. So now you have 3 points under the folder. Press on it. I'd advise you to change the color to be sure that you easily recognize the folder. As Bantu is orange, you just choose an orange color. Yeah, it's always okay. So now open the folder. You see the folder is empty. So press on that cross at the right side again. So now you will see Google Doc, Google Sheet, and Google Slide. Don't worry, if you always see it. If it is not installed, you just press on it. It will take you to PlayStore or Appstore. You will just download the Google Doc and come back and continue the process. If it is already installed on your phone, there is no problem. You can just follow the process. Press on Google Doc. The document will open. Okay, please before you paste your secret key, be sure that no one is beside you. Okay, now long press and paste your secret key. Press on the stick here, the blue stick. Press on it or easily close it. What's open here? Yeah, close it now and wait for a minute. The folder will appear. The document will appear on the folder. So now you can rename the folder by pressing on the 3 points under the folder. 3 points. So now you see rename secret key. Yeah, secret key. Okay, now the other things that I want to show you here. Press on the 3 points to be sure that the folder or maybe the document is not shareable or it is not shared with anyone, go to the manage people and link, press on it, just wait a like few seconds, it will come. Yeah, you will see the link setting restricted. It's okay, go back to your folder. So now you can now close Google Drive. Everything has been saved. Please, before you save your folder, be sure that the email here at the top is your email. If you have multiple email on your phone, be sure to choose the correct email where you will save your document. Okay, so now close the Google Drive. So the next question that you ask me, if I gave the phone to my friend and my friend knows that I've installed, I've maybe saved my secret key on Google Drive, what and how am I supposed to do to protect my Google Drive? This one is very simple. I will show you the process now. Go to PlayStore. Go to PlayStore. Just tap App Lock. Press on it. Choose App Lock. Yeah, just tap App Lock. Choose App Lock, Lock App Password. Press on it and install it. A minute, it will install. It's only 9.53 megabytes. Like if you have 10 megabytes, it's okay. It will install. You just go to the main menu and wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, so it's okay. Go to the main menu. Okay, it's there. You now press on it. Okay, press on it. It will open. Okay, draw and unlock pattern. So like you draw the first unlock pattern. If you have fingerprints on your phone, don't worry, the fingerprint will come automatically. I will just draw a simple pattern. What is your lucky number? I'd advise you to put a number that you know. A number that you know. So we come down. Now as the app is open, unstick all the default stick. Okay, unstick it. All right, so now go to Drive, scroll down to Drive. If you don't have many apps like me, so scroll down to Drive, click on it and press on one tap lock. Okay, now it will ask you to grant the permission. Press on the permission. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, press on app lock, add the permission, go back, active the floating windows permission, press on it. I got it. Wait for a minute and look for app lock and add the permission. Go back to the app and now keep app protecting. Press on it, allow. That is all. Don't worry about the advert. So you can hand it here. There is a button here where you can hand it, or you can easily. Okay, so now go to app lock. Press on app lock. It will load your app. It will load your app. Wait for a minute. You will see drive. The path lock is now with blue color. You see, it means that the app, the Google Drive, is locked, is protected. You just try. Okay, go to Google Drive, try and open it. Yeah, you see, it will first ask me the password. If I don't have, it's okay, it will not open it. If I don't have, it will never open it. Close Google Drive, try and open it again. Seriously, it will never. It's asking me the fingerprint. Let me add my password. Oh, okay, cool. It is there. See my secret key. We press here. I can have access to my secret key, but if I don't want, okay, that is how you keep your secret key with you Bantu Pay Secret Key, very secure on your phone, and you have access to it even if your phone has been stolen, even if you have changed the phone, even if your screen is poor, even if you use your friend's phone. Be careful when you are using your friend's phone to retrieve your BantuPay wallet. Be sure to log out. When you log in with your email, be sure to log out for him to don't grant access to your friend to get your secret key. So thank you for watching. Keep register on BantuPay. There is many surprises that will come. It's a very nice project, and BantuPay Foundation is still there. Please don't forget to download also Bantu Talk. Bantu Talk platform where they will share any idea, everything about Bantu. If you have question, Bantu is there. You can ask it on Bantu Talk. Just log in on Bantu Talk with your username. Everything will be okay. So Bantu Talk is there for the community. It's a big community where you share ideas, you share everything. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys, you are very special. Keep download, keep be on Bantu, be Bantu, and pour the world. Thank you. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Ciao.